Friends, hello! In this video, I will share with you a very important technique for cucumbers that will speed up their ripening and also accelerate the growth of the cucumber plant itself. After feeding with yeast, a week has passed, and look at the vigorous growth, and the first cucumbers are already ripening. They have reached their maximum varietal size and can be harvested. Pick the cucumbers without hurting the plant. You need to do it as follows. Take the cucumber firmly in your hand and press sideways with your thumb on this so-called tail of the cucumber. And that's it. The cucumber is in your hand and the plant is not damaged. The secret to picking cucumbers and promoting plant growth lies in this. The sap and nutrients circulate through the plant from the bottom to the top, and most of it is used to nourish the lower leaves and the first fruits. And the fruits that are located higher, as well as the very tops, receive much less nourishment, so the plant grows upward slowly, and the subsequent cucumbers remain small and do not grow. And when we remove the cucumber, all the nourishment is redirected to the top and to the next cucumbers. And therefore, if you regularly harvest, it is better to do it in the evening, because the fruits and the plant mainly grow at night. And after this easy task, you will see how the next cucumbers increase in size and how quickly the cucumber plant grows. There's one more thing to do. This cucumber variety has no side shoots. This is a characteristic of this particular variety. But I have another variety where the side shoots grow. They grow between the nodes and also absorb a lot of nutrients, which causes the plant to stop growing upwards and start growing into a bush. This is what I do. I remove all the side shoots except for the very lowest one. I leave the lowest side shoot because it is the strongest and most robust. I will guide it as an additional branch, which will bear an extra harvest of cucumbers. But you can do this if you are growing in a greenhouse and have free space. And in the end, let's summarize. For the cucumber plant to grow quickly and the fruits to ripen fast, you need to pick the fruits on time and remove the side shoots. And of course, the plant needs to be prepared and watered. You can find all these videos on my channel. Come and take a look. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video.